An excellent solution for the Mainsheet traveler. Sailing tips in a nutshell. Follow us. Since this is a topic for experts, I called in the expert Marco Ackler from Neomarin to explain to me what the brilliant solution is for the Mainsheet traveler on this fantastic first. 30, let's take a look together.
All right, we're sailing upwind, just as Oscar rightly suggested. We're going at a speed of 6.3 knots, so a decent speed. I'm in the helmsman's position, so I have a good foot brace, the tiller in my right hand. In this case, we're on port tack, and in my left hand I have complete control of the mainsail in 3 different ways. The first is this blue line you see, which is my Mainsheet traveler, the track. In sailing jargon, it's my gas pedal, my accelerator on this type of boat. So I can easily ease out my traveler to gain speed while losing a bit of angle, or I can just as easily bring my traveler to windward, going into up mode, which means I'll point higher upwind but with a bit less speed. But that's not all. We also have our Mainsheet. It's simple and easy, but of course, since we're dealing with 30 square meters of mainsail, there's a bit of load. Let's say it's not for everyone. Keep in mind, right now we have 12 knots of wind, so with more wind, it gets tougher. It would be much harder to handle, but this fantastic little red line comes to our aid. It's the adjustment. With just 2 precise and agile fingers, I can meticulously fine-tune the position of my Mainsheet traveler, allowing for incredibly accurate adjustments. This enables me to easily ease out or carefully trim in my Mainsheet, providing optimal control over the sail shape and the boat's performance. I would definitely say that this particular adjustment is absolutely essential, especially when sailing above 15 knots, or for anyone who truly and genuinely wants to fully enjoy the boat with complete ease and comfort.
Well, it's great to do a quick tip like this, because for me the work is almost zero, but I hope it was really useful for you, because solutions like these could help you go faster, sail better, and have a lot more fun without going crazy. Make sure you don't miss any of our quick tips. And for sea trials, all you have to do is subscribe right here to this channel. And as always, I want to thank Marco Ackler and Neomarin, who made it possible for us to create this quick tip. All that's left for me to say is fair winds and always keep an eye on the weather.